Unfortunately, times have changed. Any company has to look at how they're actually going to cope in the future and remain competitive and remain profitable. Outsourcing is not something that's going to be avoidable. My name is Nilan Mahendran. I am the Managing Director for Fimcen, an engineering support service company supporting companies with tasks such as drafting, estimations, and other project engineering support services. I began about 20 years ago now. I started off working for a multinational engineering company, which is where I got most of my experience and also developed my knowledge on various different solutions that are now utilized throughout the electrical industry. The biggest problem that most of my clients have experienced themselves is, number one is finding the staff, number two is holding on to them. There is no end of service providers from overseas who are also providing the same service, or even within the country itself. Unfortunately, they don't take ownership of the business. That doesn't help customers improve and overcome the challenges from their actual competitors. So what Fimcen does is that we will work on your behalf, and we help you not just deal with the job at hand, but also identify how you're going to actually improve in the future. The first step that we take is an onboarding process where we will talk with the customer and try and understand exactly what it is that they're expecting as an outcome. What are the time frames? What is the level of quality? What are the things that are most important to them? Then what we will do is actually get some samples of their previous work or their ideal outcome that they want, and then we will start to create a template on which we can work on. Now, once we've got a template that the actual customer is happy with, then we will implement it and start doing work. First of all, we would want to do a few trials just so we know that everyone's on the same page. Once that has actually happened, we start executing work. And it doesn't end there. There is an ongoing improvement process that we implement as well. It's only after we deliver the project that we actually take payment. I have a good understanding of what the electrical industry in Australia requires because of my history here, and that is going to be the unique selling proposition. If there is anyone who would like our services, they should pick up the phone and call me. That's the only way we can develop the trust between each other and for you to know that we are here to actually work on your behalf.